Hello everybody, welcome to Lesson 1, Features of High Quality Inclusion in Early Childhood. I just want to remind us all that our focus for this early childhood program, Early Childhood Studies, is birth to 5, not yet in kindergarten, and so that will be the focus of the content of this course. What we want to hope that you highlight and learn from this course is that inclusion benefits both children with and without disabilities. Children that participate in an inclusive learning environment experience positive social and academic outcomes, more social acceptance within a community, and in this lesson we'll be exploring high quality inclusion in early childhood settings. In this week in particular, you're going to have an opportunity to review the DEC and the NAEYC position statement on inclusion in early childhood and identify key components of high quality inclusion. You'll also have an opportunity to get familiar with the House framework that highlights the important features of quality early childhood settings and environments for all children. And then also we'll have the opportunity to learn about conditions that can affect child development and learning and the referral and eligibility process for early intervention and early childhood special education services. You can see the objectives for this particular lesson. This week we have 3 different assignments. We have Yellow Day Conversations, we have the Features of Inclusion, Access, Participation, and Support that is directly related to your readings this week. So I just want to bring your attention to this assignment. You need to review the position statement to be able to complete this assignment. And then in the Coaching Companion, you're going to have an opportunity to practice creating a video and uploading to the Coaching Companion tool. Some of you may already be familiar, others of you, it'll be the first time utilizing the tool, so we want to give you the opportunity to do that. Let me actually take you back. So at the top of our page here, you're always going to have these tabs, and this is where our content is housed for the course. So in each of the lessons, you will have your content highlighted above. The readings for this week include the Framework for Effective Everyday Practices Supporting School Readiness for All Children from the National Center of Quality Teaching and Learning. So this is a website you'll have access to, and please review it. The DEC and NAEYC position statement on inclusion. This is directly related to your writing assignment this week, so be sure to review it and use the terms within this reading assignment to define the terms and provide examples of it within practice. We've also provided you with an example of developmental behavioral screening guide from the state of California. Many of you are not in the state of California or in the state of Arizona, but this is a good example about behavioral screening, what that means in early care and education. Every state has a different resource or different expectations around child find, so I would encourage you to review those or look for those within your own state. We also have tips for talking with parents from the CDC, another excellent resource for you to get access to. We have lots of viewings this week. These are intended for your opportunity to really explore what you're interested in, also highlighting specific things that we will be talking about throughout this course, one of which is the House framework, so please get familiar with that. We have Mia's story and inclusion experience. We have included the Early Signs of Autism video tutorial by the Kennedy Krieger Institute, so please review that. And then we have a variety of videos here, The Power of Inclusive Education, and we also have included a video series about why inclusion is important. So make sure you make the time to review all of these videos this week. We also have a presentation for you, first of it being children with disabilities. And then we have screening and the referral process. You're going to have an opportunity to really share your knowledge around screening and referrals in lesson 2. So this is an opportunity to review it the first time and then come back to it in lesson 2 as you design your assignment for Coaching Companion for that week. But we do want to sort of get you starting to think about the screening and referral process and child find in particular, and looking for resources within your state. Once you've completed all of the readings and the tabs at the top of the page, you can go ahead and click on the next page. We have a Yellow Day Conversation on inclusion. We want you to introduce yourself, and we want you to highlight 1 or 2 of the videos that you watched in lesson 1, summarize the ideas, what you need to do to include children with disabilities, and what you hope to gain from this course. To access Yellow Dig, go ahead and click on this link. It'll take you to the Yellow Dig page, and you can update your profile picture, introduce yourself, and we can start our conversation within a community of reflection and practice. So this is a place where we get to share and interact and collaborate within this course. One of the ways, I should say. Next, we have the Coaching Companion video that's going to be due. And in this course, you'll work within a community of reflection and practice, both in Yellow Dig and in Coaching Companion. In Coaching Companion, you're sharing videos and providing feedback to each other. I've highlighted some information about what does it mean to be in a community of reflection and practice. This is one of the things that I hope you take with you when you leave the program, something you can utilize outside of education, but outside of your academic education, but also within your professional settings as early childhood providers or educators in the field. So this is really an opportunity for you to get familiar with Coaching Companion, create a video, and upload it. I want to remind you that in Lesson 0, we have provided lots of resources for you in utilizing this tool, Coaching Companion recording device guidelines and instructions. We also have information about video compression instructions. So if you have questions, start at Lesson 0 and review that before you go ahead. But for this assignment, we want you to record a short selfie video, introduce yourself, the ages that you teach, city and state you teach in, your preschool philosophy on inclusion, and discuss your earliest memories of early childhood care and education, and explain how your early childhood learning experience influence or do not influence how you teach or hope to teach in an early childhood setting. So when you are ready, you're going to go ahead and upload that into Coaching Companion. The bottom of the Canvas page, you're going to have an upload video. Once you hit the add new video, that's where you're going to be able to upload your video for Coaching Companion. Let's see, I'm going to take you to the next page. It's like a little bit different for you. Okay, and then Lesson 1, assignment features of inclusion and access, participation, and support. I want to tell you, you need to read the DEC and AUIC position statement on inclusion. The answers for this assignment is in this reading. And please use it as you are formulating your responses to the template that we've provided. Even though we've templated this assignment, we do expect you to write incomplete sentences and include complete thoughts and things like that. So even if it's in a graphic organizer, we do expect a complete written assignment for this. So the template is here. When you click on it, it'll take you to make a copy. You click on the blue button, and then it'll get you your own copy to use for this assignment. So again, you're going to read the assigned readings for this assignment. I want you to define it first. I want you to give examples from your practice or what you've seen, and then ideas for changes in your classroom or in the classroom that you're volunteering or working within. But again, make sure you complete this with thoroughly and thoughtfully so that we can really understand your perspective and your understanding of these terms. Once you've finished your assignments in the Google Doc, you'll want to download it and upload as a Word doc. So click File and Download as a Microsoft Word. It'll give you a document on your computer. And once you've done that, then you can submit your assignment to the Canvas course. Okay, so those are the assignments for Lesson 1. If you have any questions, concerns, comments, anything that we can support you with, we encourage you to reach out to us. We are here to support you, and your success is important to us. We hope you have a wonderful week 1.